Hello, Future Millionaire. Now it's the part 5 of the video. I just arrived at one of the dealerships I'm in conversation with. What you're seeing there is my day-to-day life wallet. I have separate life wallet for my day-to-day spending, and because a car usually costs quite a bit more than what I normally spend, I transfer a bit more money to this wallet today. And you can see the numbers changing. This is not some screenshot or something, it's real, and it's the same as any other Bitcoin Cash wallet. This is the budget I have in mind for the celebration car, and let me show you where I am right now. Ding. Okay, is there any surprise? Not really, right? I'm at a BMW. As a BMW driver, also as a BMW, let's say, stakeholder. I am pretty much in love with the brand because they have great service here, and best of all here is the coffee. I come here all the time for free coffee, nicely made, barista prepared free coffee. You just need to walk in there and ask for coffee. They will give you. Don't worry, even you don't buy a car, they don't care. They want you to experience the brand, and the coffee is part of the brand experience. So let me see. Should I twist around? Okay, let's do that. All right. So I really haven't truly decided yet which car I'm gonna get today. So I'm gonna go to quite a few dealerships today and look at quite a few different options, and actually also more than just one brand. After all, this money is actually enough for mini supercar, or it's just an average car. Maybe I can get 2 cars for the money. I don't know yet. You'll see. Even I myself have no final answer at this moment. The dealership is the first one I'm going to talk to, and I will, throughout the day, I'm going to make more videos update. However, one thing's important. The reason I'm doing this is not to show off. Please, you should know me by now. If I want to show off, I won't show you this. I will show you a much bigger wallet. But what I really want to show you is that you can live your life as a normal person with Bitcoin Cash as your savings account. Okay? You don't need to have a lot of money in the bank account to feel safe. Bitcoin Cash, totally safe. Let's say, I'll give you an example. If someone break into this car and I forgot this wallet there, and then he take my phone away, do you know how safe this is? There's a spending password on that. He doesn't have the spending password. He can do nothing with it. He can only look at it and look. He doesn't even know how to get into the account because I have a double passwords on this thing. So you don't even get to see the amount of the money that is on this wallet. Actually, that's triple passwords if I remember right. Yeah, triple password. First password is for my phone. Second password is for the app. Third password is for the spending wallet. See? And they're all different. so and last but not least, to make it extra safe, I don't even keep the spending password with me. So I only bring out the spending wallet password when I really need to spend the amount of money, and I have a separate way to secure my spending password. Therefore, I can show anybody else this phone. He can run away with my phone. That's totally fine. Right? So I really want to showcase the real world application of Bitcoin Cash. And I cannot do this with any other coin. I really can't. If this was BTC, I don't even feel safe, to be honest, carrying BTC with me. And if this is any other crypto, I still have trouble basically getting the liquidity that I need, and the transaction fee. Why do I want to spend $50 to transact, let's say $1,000, $2,000 worth of BTC? It does not make any sense to me. And of course you have to hodl. If you cannot spend it, you end up being hodling, right? And here in my case, when the time's due, you spend the money. And best part is I can use the same amount of money to pay for my lunch in Brisbane today. It's no problem at all. Maybe I'll make a video about that. We'll see. All right. So far for this part. See you in the next part. Bye.